Hey YouTube, welcome to the vlog. My name is Karl Lisondra and this channel is all about sneakers. And for today's video, we're gonna do a sneaker review for the Nike Lebron 7 in Media Day colorway and the Nike SB in Muslin colorway. Let's go! Now, before we get to the review of this sneaker na pinakita ko sa inyo, meron ba kayo napapansin na parang bago? Medyo bago yung backdrop natin, if nakikita nyo. Medyo nagkaroon tayo ng konting pag-aayos dito sa mga sneakers natin and then dinisign na lang natin. So, we have here si Cookie Monster. Ito yung cross collaboration with the Sesame Street. We also have yung Snoopy. I have yung iba pang stuffed toy nito or plush toys. And then, hindi siya nakalagay dun sa likod dahil medyo puno na. And I also have si Elmo. And yung sneaker collab na book. I also have here yung miniature. Yan, gawa ng Urix PH. And then, some of the sneakers that I have at my back. So, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa almost 200 subscribers na nag-subscribe for this channel. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a like, and comment down below any sneaker content na naisip nyo na pwede natin gawin with this channel. And I'm thinking na once we hit 300 subscribers, magpapag-giveaway tayo. Itong mga box na to, ipapag-giveaway natin yan dahil mag-upgrade tayo ng iba pang mga box. Siguro yung high-top box na yung gagamitin natin for the future backdrop dito sa vlog natin. No? So, yung box lang pag naka-reach tayo ng 300 subscribers. So, once again, my name is Karl Lisondra and this is all about sneakers. Now, katulad lang ng dati, bago natin hatulan o husgahan itong mga sneaker na to kung okay ba ito bilhin, sulit ba yung mga perang gagastin nyo for copying this sneaker, bibigyan natin to ng ilang mga criteria. So first off, we're gonna talk about the background of the sneaker. We'll check the story, the collaboration, or yung story behind how they come up with this kind of sneakers. And pangalawa, we'll talk about the materials used for these sneakers, and then we'll check also the comfort. That's number 3, and we'll check the price point of this sneaker. Let's get started with the Lebron 7 in Media Day colorway. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Kung makikita nyo, pansin na pansin yung yung kulay niya, agaw atensyon dahil sa purple and gold na kulay with this kind of sneaker. This is again the Lebron 7 and then Media Day colorway. Hindi ako sigurado, hindi na naman ako ganun ka-familiar talaga with basketball sneakers or basketball shoes. Pero if not mistaken ito lang yung nag-hype na Lebron 7 talaga, or isa siguro to sa mga nag-hype na Lebron 7. That's why pag tinitingnan mo online, you will see resale price or secondary value for this kind of sneaker. So it's a really nice and a good looking colorway for the Lebron 7. And then for the other one that we have is the Nike SB in Muslin colorway. So, kasabay itong ni-release nung tinatawag na Blue Fury na Nike SB din. And pag sinabing Nike SB, of course, most of you are familiar, that's for skateboard, kaya yung tang niya is medyo makapal. And then, most people are actually calling this the Hennessy colorway. Ewan ko, siguro dahil mukha talagang yung Hennessy na alak. Let me know in the comment section if sa tingin nyo, ganun din yung first parang impression nyo na nakita nyo tong colorway ng sneaker na to ng Nike SB. And it's not really a collaboration of Hennessy, but just because of the color, binansagan din tong instead of muslin, it's the Hennessy sneaker. Now, let's get to the materials of this sneaker. So, unahin ulit natin tong Lebron 7. First thing you will notice is, of course, yung colorway o yung kulay mismo ng sneaker na to sa left and then sa right side na pair, which is totally different, totally opposite pag tinignan mo yung color combination niya. And then the first thing you will see here, maybe we can start with the toe part, which is baba muna natin isa. This is like a soft white leather sa unang layer ng toe niya, and then after that there's another layer which is color yellow na soft leather din. You'll see here sa lower part ng laces, you will see here James, and actually dun sa kabilang side you'll see Lebron. So it's kind of different, it's kind of unique. And then pagdating naman sa tongue, if you will check on this, you will see mesh material, and then may foam sa loob. for much comfort dun sa sneaker. Now, when it comes to the side, you will see here may leather din dun sa parang kabitan ng laces. And then sa side panel, you'll see a plastic material with some stripes. And then a white swoosh dito sa outer side ng sneaker na to with some outline which is purple. And then the good thing actually is, if you will check the other side of the sneaker, it's just almost the same. You have the white stripes in here, and then you also have yung white swoosh. Pero this time, since the purple yung background niya, parang yung outline ng swoosh is yellow, which is totally opposite with the sneaker. You also have yung Lebron. You have a small Lebron logo right here. You also have letter L dito sa left pair, and then letter J naman pagdating sa right pair. Of course, that's for Lebron James, and then a bigger logo of Lebron James dito sa parang, saan ba to? Left part o left side ng left pair, yon. Tapos pagdating naman sa middle side niya, you'll see another swoosh logo, maliit lang, and then embroidered siya. And yeah, when it comes to the outsole, you'll see purple and yellow or gold, then color combination. You also have the Lebron logo sa ilalim. When it comes to the outsole or midsole, you'll see here meron kang air material or air technology na ginagamit for every Lebron 7. So this is the same technology they've been using for the Air Max 97. So it's pretty comfortable, I think. And then you also have, or you will see, yung mga sprinkled parang paint dun sa side for additional design dun naman sa sneaker na yun. So yeah, when it comes to the laces, that should be opposite. If yellow yung kulay ng sneaker, purple. Pero pwede nyo rin sigurong pagpalitin o pagbaliktarin. It's up to you. And then I think there's one more thing that I forgot to mention here, which is yung nasa tongue part niya. You will see yung signature yan, syempre, ni Lebron James. Yep, and that's gonna be it for the Lebron 7 today when it comes to the materials or the details of this sneaker. Now, for the second part of the materials, of course, we're gonna talk about the materials that we have for the Nike SB in muslin colorway. First off, we have, pagdating sa side ng toe, you will see here may double stitching dito sa suede part niya. Hanggang sa side, you'll see here suede material, and then dito sa upper part ng toe box, you will see like a leather material. Yan, medyo, of course, makikita nyo yung some parang small holes pagdating sa toe part. For siguro para sa additional air na papasok kapag ginagamit mo yung sneaker. And then when it comes to the side, you have this black leathered swoosh. When it comes to the midsole, ito yung parang, anong kulay ba to? Brown or parang red. Ewan ko kung anong, let me know in the comment section na siguro kung anong klaseng kulay ito. Hindi ako familiar if this is something that is maroon, red, brown. Ewan ko. Let me know in the comment section. Tulungan nyo na lang ako. And then in the side, after the swoosh, you will see another leather material, and then on the lace part, you will see a black colored lace in here. Mesh material pagdating sa tongue, you'll see the Nike SB logo, and of course, since this is for skateboarding, makikita nyo na makapal palagi yung tongue ng Nike SB. So it's almost the same with the inner side part of the sneaker, and then at the back, you can see a patent leather with an embroidered Nike logo. So yep, that is a really nice material for me, and this is actually better than the pictures that you are seeing in the internet. If makita mo itong sneaker na to on hand, you will see that this is much better on hand compared to what you're seeing online. The third thing we need to consider is the comfort. Magiging honest ako sa inyo. Itong mga sneakers na to ay hindi talaga sa size ko, so this is something I cannot really judge when it comes to the comfort. Pero siguro pagbasihan na lang natin for now yung mga materials na meron yung sneaker. For example, dito sa Lebron 7 that we have, it's been using yung air technology ng Nike, which is really comfortable. And then if i-check mo yung mga materials niya sa loob, I think this is pretty comfortable as well. Now, it's almost the same with the Nike SB Muslin. To be honest, katulad na sinabi ko kanina, this is not my size. It will be hard for me to judge or to rate yung comfort niya o yung sizing niya. But for some people, they are usually doing like half size up for both of the sneaker, basketball sneaker, and even sa Nike SB dahil nga daw medyo makapal yung tang niya. And then yung basketball sneakers naman, usually masisikip yung fitting nito. And then, yep, let me know in the comment section if alam nyo yung sizing nito. And then if you have size 8, pwede tayong mag-trade. Anyway, regarding this, again, it is pretty comfortable. Mas masusuot mo siya for everyday use compared to the other sneaker that we have. For the last criteria of the sneakers, we will also consider syempre yung price point nito. How much is the retail? How much is the resale value currently itong sneaker na to? Of course, first off, we're gonna talk about this Lebron 7 Media Day. The resale price for this one is $200 pero sa Pilipinas, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, mga 9,800 something. So, nabili ko to from Titan, and then actually there's a resale value for this one. If ikaw ay papalarin, you can buy this for retail. This is a size 10. Actually, I will be selling this one, so hit me up kung interested ka. Pwede yung ibenta to ng retail for anyone na interested. And guys, it's been selling for around 12,000 to 14,000 ngayon sa market. So kung ikaw ay size 10 or let's say size 9.5, let me know. Sabihan mo ko, i-message mo ko sa Instagram kung interesado ako dito. Of course, pag-uusapan din natin ang Nike SB when it comes to the price point. How much is the retail of this sneaker? We bought it from Nike Sneakers Online, and we are really blessed na nakuha natin itong sneaker nito. Ang retail nito is 4,995, 4,995 pesos. Mura lang pagdating sa Nike SB, but this is selling for around 10,000 to 12,000 pesos. Dahil nga medyo hype ang Nike SBs ngayon. Kung maaalala nyo, for those who are familiar with the sneaker game, recently nagkaroon ng ingay ang Nike SBs, and this is much more profitable kumpara sa mga Yeezys ngayon and yung ibang mga Jordans. Of course, not all Jordans and Yeezy, but some na nire-release recently. So, yep, almost the same when it comes to the second value, itong dalawang sneaker na to. Ang hatol for this sneaker. This one, kung i-rate ko 1 out of 10, I will give this a Nike SB 9. Dahil siguro, I like the color, yung suede, and then yung materials na ginamit for the sneaker. And then guys, magagamit nyo kasi ito ng mas madalas compare dito sa ating Nike Lebron in media colorway. So it's a really nice design, plus it's a good actually investment. If mabibili mo to ng retail. And then, if you wanted to resell this pair, this is definitely worth it. If you want to cop this pair or rock this pair, this is also worth it kasi may possibility na tumaas pa yung value nitong sneaker nito. So, I would give this sneaker a 9 out of 10 rate. However, for this one, pagpalitin muna natin. For this sneaker, I would give it, let's say, 8 probably. So, magiging bias ako dito. So, this is just my opinion, okay? Opinion ko lang to. For me, hindi talaga kasi ako ma-basketball or minsan naglalaro ako pero I'm not really competing just like the other people or yung mga nagre-review talaga ng mga basketball sneakers or yung mga fan ni Lebron. If you would ask me, of course, this is something you cannot wear every day. Sa kulay pa lang, medyo maingay siya. Pero, guys, compared to other Lebron sneakers, this is worth collecting. With all the details na merong itong sneaker na to, for me, sobrang sulit niya. Pero if you need something na gagawin mo lang beaters o pang-basketball mo lang madalas, madaming available sa Titan at kahit sa Nike Park or kahit sa mga outlet. Medyo less than 50% na yung mga binibenta doon. So, if you will ask me, ano yung nanalo dito sa mga sneaker na to, I would definitely choose yung Nike SB. So, how about you guys? Let me know in the comment section kung ano yung nagustuhan nyo dito sa mga sneaker na to. Would you go for Lebron 7 Media Day? Fan ka ba ni Lebron? For sure. Lebron yung piliin mo. And then, if you are more of a lifestyle guy, casual sneaker yung mga gusto mo, let me know if this is something you will check. So, let me know in the comment section kung ano yung pipiliin nyo na sneaker out of this two. So, that's gonna be it for the sneaker review nitong Nike SB and Muslin or Hennessy colorway and the Nike Lebron 7 in Media Day colorway. So, let me know in the comment section if there's anything that you want to see in this channel. Please give this video a like, ring the bell for you to be notified, and mag-subscribe na rin kayo. If hindi pa kayo nag-subscribe, dito nagkakaroon tayo ng mga sneaker reviews, sneaker unboxing, and anything about sneakers. So once again, thank you so much sa 200 or almost 200 na nakasubscribe na for this channel. And once we hit 300 subscribers, we will be giving away, siguro, maybe we can start with 5 boxes for one winner. So we will be picking 3 winners for the boxes, 5 boxes for each winner ng ating giveaway, and that will happen kapag tinulungan nyo ako na ma-reach ang 300 subscribe. And who knows, malay nyo pagdating natin ng 1,000 subscriber, we will be giving away a sneaker that is at your size. So let me know in the comment section if that's something that you want to see in this channel as well. So once again, my name is Karl, and this is all about sneakers.